Hello, I'm James Miller, and this is the first in a series of videos designed to replace the lecture component of my game theory class, which I teach at Smith College, and this is for the spring 2020 semester. So remember, I have another series of videos, which I think now are required for the class. They're linked to from Moodle, or you just go to YouTube and search for James Miller Game Theory. We are around on video 16 for that. So if you're not comfortable with where we are in the class, you should maybe review the first 16 videos and see that you understand that material. When I do these videos, I'll be telling you where, what it corresponds to in terms of other videos, and also what homework you should be doing. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to be doing for exams. I imagine Smith's going to give some guidance, so we'll do some things. I know that's an issue of big concern with many of you. Well, thanks very much. Goodbye.